Hi guys, Natasha with the 1407 Planners here, back with video 3 in our starter how-to videos. This is going to be how do you take this planner. In the first video I showed you how to pick inserts and picking inserts. The second video I showed you how to quickly and effectively use your inserts for planning, and now I'm going to show you how to quickly decorate using one of our to-go kits without sitting down and having to do too much work, but adding a little bit of pop to your planner. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use one of our secretary sleeves in this planner, and I'm also going to use a dash sleeve. The secretary sleeve is just because I need a pocket, and it wraps around 2 inserts, and I'm doing that in the back, and now I have a little pocket for bills, or in this case I'm going to stick my sticky notes back here, and then I have another pocket here as well, so I could have put the sticky notes, bills, either way. The other dash sleeve I'm going to slip under these two after we decorate it, which we're going to do, like I said, really quickly. Now the way I do this quickly is, first of all, I take one of my dash sleeves and I actually cut it right along and you don't have to do this every time. I'm showing you to do this one time and save it, but I just cut it so it's kind of flush there, and then I cut the top off. And I'll show you why. You have this little pocket now. And what you can do is you can just take your piece of paper that you want to use in your dash sleeve and stick it in there, and it gives you a template for cutting. Now just cut along the plastic, and this keeps me from having to get out my whole rotary cutter. And now I just can take this and slip it into my dash sleeve. And voila, it fits. And then I'm going to take just a couple little pieces here and stick them in. And I got a pretty start. You can of course layer and do as much as you want. For me, I'm just about adding a pop of something to my planner for right now. So I'm not trying to be overly decorative. I just, like I said, I want to have a little something when I open it up, so I'll show you. Shove another one in our little template. And then I just save this. Normally I only made a new one because I wanted to show you how, but I save this and then I always have a little template on hand so I can cut these down. So I'm gonna shove this one in here. And no, it may not be as fancy as other ones that I've seen out there. However, it works for me because it gives me a little cuteness without, sorry, I'm trying to decide what to do. And now I just slip this right in here around 2 inserts. And now, and it still honestly fits all of that without being crazy. And I'm going to use the charm too because the charm is just too cute not to use. Now I am using an old kit here. It's a girl kit, but we always have new little to-go kits coming out, and they are, you know, little quick things, journal cards, papers, die cuts. And now when I open my planner, I have a cute little entry instead of, and I didn't have to decorate my cover. You can decorate your cover, but again, you saw how fast that went. I mean, I think we're less than 5 minutes, and we have a cute little dash, and then we added our 2 pockets. At least added a little something to our planner. So that's a super quick way. You can do that with papers, die cuts, anything that you have in the dash sleeves. And I used, like I said, just this as a template and cut them down with a pair of scissors. So thank you guys for watching, and I will be back soon with some more planning videos.